ng aming kakri, pipino, cucumber. When you plant this one? 60 days ago?
Yeah.
So 2 months.
There is one more. I better
Yeah.
you remove because
Why?
this is small.
Cannot become big this one?
No.
So there is one more, so better we remove.
Kharab. Keep her position.
And so this is okay?
Yeah, he's okay.
Yeah, this one is okay. So this one is okay, and there is so many, may marami pang bunga na darating. Oh. Ayan. Ayan, maraming ano. Ayan. Mga flowers. Ito yung puno niya. Ayan. Meron. Ewan ko kung may. Ito yung ano. Ayan, meron din dito, kaya lang maliit. May sitaw din dito. Ayan, pipino din. Ayan, meron din dito, pipino. Ayan. Ito yung unang bunga ng kakri pipino namin. Ayan, fresh na fresh. Bagong pitas. Crunchy siya. Ayun, pakainin ko silang ka.